Hi, here are the four native fans. Running on minute speed of speed controls. And then be showing speeds to maximum speed. Those two fans are controlled by one control. Those two fans are controlled by another control. Here is one of the controls.
Lucas, deita a mão pra... Rápido, segura o chiquete trepável. Cabe, rapaz.
Three of them are leading edge. This one is not. And is the replacement of another leading edge. Sorry, this control takes the fourth turn and therefore is not easy to tell when it reached maximum speed and can be easy to accidentally turn off. There is my maximum speed.
It's like this big.
They blow lots of air without much rubble. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, rate, subscribe.